Hey everybody, Big Joe Ration Reviews here with another ration review for you today. Today we have menu number 3 of a 2017 US MRE. This is chicken, noodles, and vegetables, and let's just get into it. Right here we got the tear notch. It's very visible this time, so it shouldn't be difficult to open it. As long as my nails can get in there. Here we go. There we go. Oh, looks like this one is not in a secondary sealed bag. It's alright. There we go. That's everything. Let's take a look. Right here we got the chicken, egg noodles, and vegetables. This was packed on the 89th day of 2017. So, March. Right here we got, I feel sticky. There's some stickiness there. Yep. There's some stickiness. I gotta find out where that's coming from. Yep, you can see it right there too. That's not good. This is mixed fruit. I'm trying to see if there's a... Yep, there you go. You can really see it in the reflection there. Alright. Well, we'll get back to that. We got some Skittles. No leaking there. Here's the mixed fruit information. Peaches, pears, grapes, pineapple, cherries, and preservatives, I'm guessing. Here we got an orange flavored beverage base. Focus. There we go. Spoon. Peanut butter. I love this peanut butter. Gotta need that a little bit. I'll need it later. Ha! Get it? I'll need it later. Beverage bag. Hot sauce. Let's see, we got aged cayenne peppers, distilled vinegar, salt, and garlic. Pretty simple. Here's the packaging for the egg noodles. Come on, focus. Here we go. Cooked chicken, water, pasta, carrots, green beans, mushrooms, onion, celery, red bell pepper. Not bad. Alright, that goes over there. Here's our flameless ration heater. We got some crackers here. And our accessory pack. Let's go ahead and get in there. I don't know if anybody's actually seen this on camera. Literally just single sheets of TP. Two-ply TP. Anyways, yeah. Moving on. Got moist towelette. Matches. Sugar. We got our salt. Not so crisp as the other two. 4 grams of that. Type 2 coffee, shiny pack of creamer, and mint gum. Alright, let's take a closer look at the other stuff. Let's see if we can find where that leak is. If there is a leak, I mean, I'm squeezing that pretty hard. I'm not seeing anything come out. I mean, that's right where the stickiness is right here. There's some on the mixed jelly, or on the mixed fruit, I mean. I'm not seeing anything. I don't know, maybe it just was on the packaging. I mean, everything seems okay. I mean, I'm looking. There's. No, the package isn't pierced anywhere. Alright, well, I guess just a little stickiness from packaging is all I'm seeing. I mean, it's not the peanut butter, that's still sealed. It's still sealed too. Nothing's broken that I can see. Interesting. Must just be from packaging, which is a relief. I've been blessed to have minimal problems with breakage. Never really on a US MRE. Alright, well, let's get that organized and we'll be right back. Alright, that's looking real nice. Well, let's get the main warming up, and then we'll get our beverages and the rest of it going. Alright, I got the main warming up, and let's get into these beverages. First off, we got our coffee, spray dried. Come on, come on. There we go. And no, I'm not going to be filling that cup up all the way. The only clear cup I have available, so I'm using it. Whoop! Bump the camera. And our... Whoop! Yeah, that's sugar. I thought it was salt. Alright. Yeah, that should be good. This is my French press glass, so I just got it recently, and I am just loving it. So I'm very used to very strong coffee right now. That's not bad. I can definitely taste the difference between that and my French press coffee, but you know, it's still good. Get our orange beverage powder. I'm going to try something a little different. I've been using a certain brand of water recently with my other two videos in this series that has some extra ingredients in it. So I'm just going to be using some water out of the tap. I emptied the bottle and just put tap water in it. So I'm wondering if that's going to make a difference with the clumpiness that we've been experiencing. So we'll try this out. That looks about right. Well, I can kind of see a difference already. I'm not seeing too many clumps. Yeah, there's some, but not to the point that there was in the other ones. Granted, this is a different flavor, so it might just be because of that, but, you know, scrape the bottom. No, I'm guessing it was the type of water we're using. I mean, yes, I can see some clumps down there. When you're stirring it, see? Right there at the bottom. So there's still some clumps, but nothing like we've been having. And none on the spoon either. Just couple of water droplets. Whoop, I have the fire on too high. I'll be right back. Alright, that main should be done in another minute, so we will move this off to the side. And Skittles, I'm sure everyone's seen before. They're just like the ones you would buy at the store. Just put a few down. Because that would be an on-the-go kind of thing. Oh, it's been ages since I've had these. Oh, I've always loved the Skittles. Alright, let's get into these crackers. Let's see if we can get another hiss out of these. Let's see, the microphone is on this side now. Alright. Oh yeah, nice hiss. Well, these did not come out intact. That's alright. They don't leave your body intact, that's for sure. Gross. Alright. I'm going to take care of this trash real quick. Alright. That's one great thing about the US MRE is it's built in with its own trash bag. Gotta love it. And no, I'm not throwing away that flameless ration heater. I'm just putting it in there for now. Anyways, now, one of my favorite things about American MREs is the American MRE peanut butter. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of peanut butter. It's good. It's good sometimes, but something about this peanut butter, maybe it's just the extra vitamins that they have in it. Here, let's focus on that. Yeah, vitamin C, vitamin A, B6, thiamine. Ingredients not in regular peanut butter. So that could be doing it, but I eat this on its own. I love this peanut butter. Make sure it's nice and kneaded. All right. Oop. There we go. Nope, that didn't work. Come on. There we go. Alright. Let's get a little bit of that on a spoon. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I love that peanut butter. They have chunky peanut butter too, as I believe, but I prefer the creamy. Oh, that's every bit as good as it always is. And we'll get a little bit of that grape jelly on the spoon too, just to show you. Then I have to go grab that main before it blows up. Not that it would, but it will get too hot to handle. A little bit of grape jelly there. Waste not, want not. Man, just squeeze a little bit of both of these in your mouth at the same time. Get a breadless PB&J. It's awesome. But that's why we had the crackers too. Alright, I'll be right back with that main, which is probably going to be overly hot already. Yep, it's hot. I'm back with the overly hot main. Very hot. I got some scissors here because I don't want to burn my fingers like I've been doing in the previous videos. So, let's just snip it. If I was eating it out of the package, then I would open it the way the tear notches are, but I'm not eating it in the package. Oh, that looks good. Look at all that steam, too. Oh, that smells amazing. Smells like a great chicken noodle soup. Oh, look at that. Big chunks of chicken. Got some nice veggies in there. It's got mushrooms in it, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but you know what? it still smells great. Alright, get every last bit out of there. Alright. Well, that's gonna need to cool off for a moment. You can see the steam rising off of that. Let's open up this mixed fruit cocktail. And this is a fruit cocktail and light syrup if you missed it before. Alright. Whoa! Kind of surprised me a little bit. Alright. Oh yeah. Could add the grape jelly and the peanut butter right into the fruit cocktail and make a big sloppy mess. But I'll save that for another video. Let's try out this fruit cocktail. Try to get a little bit of everything. There it is. Now we got grapes, peaches, pineapple, cherry. Let's get a bigger cherry in there. There we go. Pear. I think that was it. Looks like it. Alright. Come on, focus. There we go. Alright, let's try this out. Yep, that's pretty good. Kind of. Not even really a need to chew it. The pears have a little bit of chewing required, but the rest of it you can just kind of eat with your tongue. It's not too overly sweetened, which is good. Everything seems really fresh. Well, fresh for being a year old, I should say. Over a year old, year and a half. I like it. Which is rare, because I usually don't like fruit cocktail much. Alright, let's get a piece of cracker here. Make a little cracker PB&J. I try to make the holes on the packages as small as I can for portion control. That's pretty good. Kind of tastes like you're eating a PB&J with milk. Or, I'm sorry, with bread. Even though a PB&J with the shelf-stable bread that they have would have been better, that's just my opinion. It's still good. Alright. Man, look at these big chunks of chicken. First, let's get that centered a little bit. That's better. Here's the inside of it. Come on, focus. There we go. Ooh, that's warm. Oh, let's try a little bit of everything. I want to cut that in half, get some noodles, get some veggies. Whoop. Come on. Ow. Well, it smells good, and from the couple of things I've tasted so far. Come on, focus. There we go. Not bad. Anyways, from the few little pieces that have dripped on my hand while showing you this, I've tried and need something. I mean, it smells great, but it's kind of, to my American tongue, it's very kind of flavorless, so let's add some salt in. Well, wait, let's try the hot sauce first. Hot sauce sounds like a good combo with this. Alright, that should be big enough hole. Whoa! Sorry about that. Wasn't watching the camera. There we go. Autofocus. There we go. There. Alright, let's try a little bit of this on there. Or all of it. That's pretty much all of it. Alright. And see how that makes it any better or worse, or if it still needs that salt. That is just not wanting to focus at all. There you go. Well, that definitely helps, but I still think it needs a little bit of salt. Whoa, that's a lot of salt. Alright. Yeah, I say it's a lot of salt, and then I put more on. Silly me. Alright, let's find another piece of chicken, a little bit of everything else. Alright. This likes to drip. Oh yeah. I should have added the salt first. Salt is what it needed, not the hot sauce. Oh well, it's still good. It makes it perfect right now. A little bit of spice. A little bit of savory. Tastes like a spicy chicken noodle soup, basically. That's pretty good. Alright, let's give our coffee a try. Not bad. I just don't like that it develops that little film on top from the creamer. Wow. Using a lot less water makes that sugar packet go a lot further. I can actually taste the sweetness this time. Not bad. Now let's take a look at our drink. Well, I don't see any chunks in there. It looks a lot better than the last two videos. Yeah, that kind of tastes like a weak tang. Not bad. Alright, well I guess all that's left is to give this meal a rating. Before spicing this up and adding the salt, this was probably a 3. It wasn't very impressive. But after adding a little bit of salt, would bump it up to a 6. The fruit cocktail, again, I'm not the biggest fan of fruit... Oh, excuse me. I'm not the biggest fan of fruit cocktails. But, that being said, this is a good fruit cocktail. I'm going to give this a 7. It comes with the Skittles. That's always a plus. Now, from what I heard from some of my Army buddies, the candy bars that come with these MREs usually end up being traded as currency. And that's probably what I would do. I would trade this for something better. The peanut butter and jelly, always very high in my book, especially the peanut butter on its own. There we go. Put that in there. So that's a nice alternative if you don't like the meal for some reason. Or just a great snack on its own. By the way, the noodles on these are a little overdone for my taste. They're kind of mushy. But they're egg noodles. They're allowed to be a little mushy. And that hot sauce isn't too bad either. Alright, so overall, well, the crackers are just plain. They're kind of a 2 on my scale. But the peanut butter and jelly, that's pretty good. I wish I would have gotten the blackberry jelly. I like the blackberry jelly a lot better than the grape, but it's still okay. So 6, 5, 2, 6, 6. Average that out. This is probably one of the lower rating meals I've had so far, but on my scale it would be about a 5 out of 8. Still pretty good. Could be better. I'm going to enjoy this off camera. I love the chicken chunks in this. You know, I'm going to make that a 7 instead on this part. This is really impressive with the chicken chunks. I mean, you get quite a bit of hearty chicken in this. You know, the chicken in there definitely makes up for the mushiness of the noodles. So, yeah, that's a 7 out of 8. So that'll bump this up to about a 6 out of 8, as usual. Don't worry, there are other meals that are higher on the scale. I know I tend to give better ratings than I should, but for being an instant meal that you can eat hot or cold, it's pretty good. That's enough rambling for me. This has been Big Joe Ration Reviews with another ration review for you. This is number 3 out of 24, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.